Hi guys, it's Tony. How are you doing? Today I'm going to show you what this Simply Pepperoni pizza looks like and tastes like. This was bought from Lidl for 67p if you want to check out what's in it. Alright, just pause the video, you guys know the same. It says put in the oven for 12 minutes, just 15 minutes. Alright, now they do two sorts of pizzas. One is this is the pepperoni pizza, and the other one is the cheese and onion, cheese and tomato, which I'll do a video on. I'm just going to open this up. Alright, so in the pizza itself you get a decent amount of pepperoni. And what also as well is I'm going to be cooking, I don't know how to find my scissors. I'm going to be cooking some of these, which are American oven fries. Okay, now these are by, let's see, just HJC. Never heard of them before, but I thought I'll try them. They were £1 for 1.8. I'm going to stick a few on there. Gonna give them a whirl, stick them around. Now this is on a genuine pizza tray, so the cooking should be pretty much even. Right, and this pizza tray is actually bought from Lidl. I did a video on that. Anyway, it goes in. Guys, I shall be back shortly. Okay guys, this should be done. Yeah, there we go. So that's the pizza there, and those are the chips. You can turn around a bit if you want. Yeah, just get the general idea. Anyway, we'll have a look at the pizza. First things first. Okay, so it looks pretty good. One thing I'll say is about this pizza is it's you know, it does kind of look like that. So we're going to start chopping this up. I'm going to do it in such as quarters today. Well, yeah, I might do a little. No, I'll do it properly. I'll do it like the pizza shops do. Oh, yeah. So, guys, that's what it looks like. I've tasted it already. It does taste absolutely gorgeous. You can toss some chips with it, and you really got a good tea. I mean, upon inspection, you know, you've got a decent amount of cheese on there as well, which some pizzas don't have. They always skimp on the cheese. They also skimp, excuse me, I've got some chip in my throat. They also skimp on the pepperoni, which they've done a good job with the pepperoni as well. Not only that, but it does taste good. It tastes just like something that you basically buy from the pizza shop. But for 67p, guys, one to watch out for. I can highly recommend it. I buy these at 10 a go, you know, I buy 10 pizzas a go. It's like, it's just worth having in, you know, if you're watching the TV, the sports, the games, sling one in the oven. It's great, and it doesn't take long to cook either. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.